Hey everyone, how's it going? So I thought it'd be fun to show you guys another fun Among Us surprise fold, and in today's it's going to be related to the new Venom movie. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us Venom versus Carnage surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we need to fold our paper. So I'm going to begin by taking my paper, and I want to fold it in half like I'm making a birthday card. So we're going to line up the corners and just press it down like this. Now we can open it up. The next step is I'm going to take this front flap and I want to fold it right down here to these corners. So I'm going to line it up and I'm just going to press it down and make a nice fold. This way I can open it up like this, or I can turn it this way and open it up. Totally your choice. Now to start off with this, we need to make two little crewmates that are going to be facing each other. So I'm going to begin with one right here. So I'm going to start right here on this side of my paper, and I'm going to just make a little curved line. So we'll begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve around. And then I'm just going to connect it to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to come down. And you can see it kind of comes in a little bit. I'm going to go over. Then I'm going to start up here at the top. I'm going to kind of follow this line. I'm going to go over. I'm going to come down. And I'm going to bring it down here. And right to there. Next, I'm going to draw a little line over. Make a little line up. And a little curved line right here. And I'll make a little line up here. Now starting here, we're going to make the little pack. I'm going to make a little line that goes out. It's going to come down. We're going to go down and then in like this. Now I need to make another little crewmate over here. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with that little face shield. So I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to curve around. Then I'm just going to connect it here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come down. We're going to kind of line them up. One would be about the same size. Then we'll make a little line that comes over. We'll make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come over, and we're going to go down here. Make this line go over. We're going to go up and over. Then we'll make a little line that comes up here. Same thing, we're going to make a line that goes over. We're going to bring it down and then over to here. So now we have our two crewmates looking at each other. Now, once we have this, we need to open it up so we can see the inside of our picture. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to connect both of these. So I want to connect this line to here. So we're just going to draw a nice little line down. And I'm going to do the same thing here. We're just going to draw a little line down. Now I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to make this line come down here. So we're going to bring it down to here. And I'm going to bring this one down to here. Now, I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw this line down a little bit. And I'll do the same thing on this one. I'm going to draw it down. And the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to run into or draw anything that goes above this fold. And to start down here, I'm going to make this line come up, and I'm going to make this line come up. That way when we close it, we won't see those lines, but when we open it, we can add lots of detail in here. These are kind of like my guide points. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with, this one's going to be our Venom one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up to here. And you can see I did not run into this little line here. Then I'm going to make this line come down, and I'm going to curve it up, and then down to here, kind of at a point. Now this one is going to be our Carnage one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some kind of long pointed teeth shape, and I'm going to make them come up right here close to that fold. And then I'm going to bring them all the way down here, and I'm going to just add some more little zigzag lines. Now, on our Venom one, I'm going to start by adding some sharp teeth. So I'm just going to add some different teeth in here, make some big ones, make some small ones. So I'm going to make a bunch of them in here. Then I'm also going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to make some different size teeth. We're going to make these all over, and we're just going to put them coming up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw Venom's tongue. So I'm just going to make a nice long line that's just going to come up, and we'll just make it kind of wavy like this. I'm going to keep it nice and pointy, and I'm just going to draw a long line that's just going to come back down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to do the same thing with Carnage. I'm just going to make his just a little bit kind of wavier. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to kind of bring it across, and I'm just going to kind of bring it back and just keep it a little bit on the skinnier side. Now, when I close it up, we don't see any of our details, but when I open it, we see all of, the different things inside of here. But we want to keep adding some more details. So I'm going to kind of close this back up again, and we're going to add some of our little details. So let's start with our Venom imposter. So that's going to be this one here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to add kind of like a little wavy line around here. And then I'm going to bring it up. It's going to come to a point, and we're just going to make some more wavy lines around here. Now, right on here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up and down, and another one that goes up and down for a point. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, down, and then up. And I'll make another one that's going to go up, down, and up. I'm going to draw one that goes down, up, and down. And we'll go down, up, and down. I'll go up, down, and up. And we're going to go down, up, and down. And we'll do this one here, up, down, and up. And we'll go down, up, and then down. Then I'll make a little line that goes down, and it's going to come up to here. Now, starting over here on our Carnage one, what we're going to do is we want to add some of those different details on here too. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to make kind of like a little wavy line. And then I'm just going to make some more wavy lines around here. And I'm just going to kind of fill it up with lots of kind of crazy little lines for the front of our Carnage face. Then starting down here, I'm just going to add a few more. So I'm actually going to continue this line down here, and I'm just going to make some, different kind of little wavy, kind of crazy lines all over here. I'm going to put some more kind of right around here, and we're just going to kind of make some wild wavy lines all over here. I'll make some of these come all the way back here. And then I'm going to make some just kind of little lines all around here too. And I'm going to continue these lines over here. We can always make this a little bigger too. Now, when I open this up, we're going to add a few more little lines on here. So I'm going to start here on the face, and I'm just going to draw some kind of little wavy lines. They're just going to kind of come all the way down here. And we're just going to kind of connect these to here. Now, starting inside of here, what I'm going to do is I want to add a little bit more detail. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to come down here, and it's going to go right to there. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to draw a little line down here, and it's going to come right to here. Then I'm just going to add a couple little kind of curved lines on here just for some detail. And a couple more right over here too. Now I'm going to add a little extra line or two on the tongue just to make it look like it's really twisting and kind of turning. And there you go. There is your drawing of your Venom and Carnage one. And actually, real quick before we end, I'm just going to add some extra little kind of crazy lines on some of these here. And we're just going to kind of add some extra little wild lines. So now when I close it up, we have our little Venom and Carnage crewmates. But when you open it up, they are ready to attack. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.